By nomination and subsequent vote of the faculty of the School of Civil Engineering, I present Robert N. Schrock to you for the 2015 Alumni Achievement Award.
Robert N. Schrock, BSCE 1976, MSCE 1977, Chief Executive Officer, DJ Construction Company, Incorporated. Bob Schrock attributes his affinity for engineering to four significant influencers. His father, Don, who founded DJ Construction Company the same year Bob was born. His Goshen High School physics teacher, who noted Schrock's strong math and science skills. Family friend Keith Ruppel, BSCE 1950, and his professors at Purdue, who cultivated Bob's natural proclivity towards analysis and scheduling. After graduating from Purdue, Bob worked as a structural engineer at Pace Design in Elkhart, Indiana. In 1981, he joined his father's construction business when Bob's mother was diagnosed with terminal cancer. Bob began running the company almost immediately and soon introduced the design, build, project delivery method. Today, 34 years later, DJ Construction Company has grown from $1 million in revenue and 10 employees to $38 million in revenue and over 55 employees within a relatively small demographic. DJ is known for the most unique and challenging projects built in Elkhart County and for the company's values and culture that has led to its position in the area's builder of choice for most churches and not-for-profit or agencies. Bob's life philosophy is deeply rooted in actively caring for others. Many DJ employees have worked there for 25 years or more, virtually unheard of in today's transient construction industry. Bob prioritizes outreach efforts towards at-risk youth, having served on the boards of numerous local agencies, including his church and the Boys and Girls Clubs. At the Crossing Educational Center, an organization that provides academics, jobs training, and faith-based mentoring, Bob has established a building trades program with the goal of providing future employment opportunities to disadvantaged young men. A Purdue ambassador, Bob is a proud Boilermaker known in his sphere as Boiler Bob. He is a member of the Purdue Alumni Association, the President's Council, and the John Purdue Club, and the Purdue Club of Elkhart County. He mentored Duron Cornell on his return to Purdue to complete his degree 9 years after Cornell's basketball career ended, and Bob continues to encourage youth to consider a Purdue engineering degree. Married to Marie for 40 years, they are the proud parents of Mandy and Paulo Juarez and Matt and Abby Schrock, and are the proud grandparents to Kai Juarez. For his outstanding career and professional contributions, the Purdue University School of Civil Engineering presents Robert M. Schrock with the Civil Engineering Alumni Achievement Award. The award will be presented by Professors Govunraju and Jackman.
Well, it's been great to be here today. As you probably already know, I love Purdue, and I'm proud to be a civil engineer. And before I say anything else, I just want to thank God for the blessings He's given me, and to give Him the glory for anything He's accomplished through me. I want to start off by thanking Purdue, the School of Civil Engineering, and the faculty. Great to see Professor Sutton here tonight, but a great impact on me, preparing me for a career that I've thoroughly enjoyed. I also want to mention 4 civil engineering alums who've had a great impact on me. 2 classmates and winners, classmates, one a previous winner of this award. Mike Byers and Larry Hoffmackel, who went through this journey with me many years ago. Also want to mention, as it was in the resume, Keith Ruppel, who came tonight. Keith has been a friend and a mentor, and I think he was the first civil engineer I ever knew, and he had a great impact on me. And I'd be remiss if I didn't mention J.C. Schrock, who followed me down here 5 years after, and has come back to the business to work alongside me for 29 years. And quite honestly, when it comes to the engineering components of our company, has probably carried me. I thank all who came to support me tonight. I guess I have the advantage of being the only one that still lives in Indiana, so I got a nice group here tonight. I appreciate the family, the DJ teammates, and my friends who made the trip to support me. Family means everything to me, and I'm so proud of them. I know we're honoring career achievement tonight, but my life's highlights are still meeting and marrying my wife, the births of my kids, their weddings, and the birth of my grandson. My wife Maria stood by me. We got married before I finished Purdue, and she came down here to work and stayed while I finished my master's, and I've admired her as she's continued to put others ahead of herself for 40 years since. As my day-to-day responsibilities lessen in the years ahead, I look forward to seeing her get repaid for her sacrifice. It has been a great day with these guys up here. It's already been mentioned. Getting to know them, I am very humbled to share the podium with them. They've done some great things and have great accomplishments. But as Milo already said, I was going to mention that seeing us come with the same answers for what makes one successful is good to hear in front of the students today. When I was at Purdue, my ambitions were different than the way they turned out. But family circumstances came up and the Lord took me in a different direction. But I have no regrets. I have loved my career. I'm proud of our family business, our company. We've built some great buildings, but more importantly, we've built strong relationships. Last year, we celebrated our 60th year in business by celebrating our clients, a different one each week of the year, which was really fun. And during that year, as we were celebrating that, we also lost my dad, who had founded the company. 61 years ago, he had the guts to start a business, and for the last 34 years, I've had the opportunity to build it on the foundation he laid. Our company's branding tagline is decidedly different. Because of our people, our principles, and our partnerships, I honestly think that we've changed the way contractors are perceived in our community. Looking forward, I have no plans to retire anytime soon because I still love what I do. But my area of focus will undoubtedly be changing again. Our company has recently taken on a new challenge of putting a dent in the fatherless epidemic, and we're determined to grow and become even stronger so that we can find ways to do that in the communities that we work in. So because of what I got at Purdue, we're making a difference in our community, and that's my parting challenge to you students who I really enjoyed interacting with today. It was fun hearing you, looking forward, talking about how you're going to interview, considering jobs and careers. And I guess I just want to encourage you tonight to more than just finding a good job, look to use your successes to make a difference somewhere and blow her up. Thank you.
I want to thank everyone here for attending tonight. It's been a marvelous evening. A program like this doesn't get put together just by a few folks. There's many who are behind the scenes. Kathy Heath kind of led the behind the scenes team. Kathy, where are you? Where is she? She's right over here, right over here. So, dessert time. None here, sorry, but back down the hall. You have a wonderful setup down there with a wonderful dessert. So we will retire down to the Great Hall and have our dessert, and we will have photographs here with you and your families and so on before we head down there. So thank you everyone for being here tonight. We really appreciate your being here, and we hope to see you here next year. Good night all.